Natasha. Today I'm going to be teaching you a beginner poi move called the corkscrew. So this is the corkscrew. It's a beginner move and it's in split time, same direction. And that just means the poi are moving the same direction. So they're going that way, and split time. So they're at different times. So I'm going to start with my right hand because that's my dominant hand. And you spin it over your wrist like this and then under. It's like doing a figure of 8 around your wrist. Make sure you're bending your elbow when you do it too, otherwise your poi will run into your arm like this, which you don't want. So just keep doing that until you feel comfortable, and you can do it 10 times without stuffing up. Once you're happy with that, you can move on to your left hand, where you'll be doing the exact same thing. Once you can do this 10 times without stuffing up on your left hand as well, we can move on to the next bit. So for the next bit, you're going to go back to your right hand, and it scoops around down in front of you to the left, behind your head, and then it does a circle in front of you like this. So circle down to your left, circle down to your left. You can think of it like you're stirring like a witch's pot or a big washing machine, or however you want to think of it. Just keep doing that until you feel comfortable. Once again, I'd want to get it 10 times before I move on to my left hand. Once you're there, same thing with your left hand. So behind your head, down in front of you, behind your head, big circle down in front of you. So it's exactly the same as what you're doing with the other hand. Just continue doing that. Now that you can do that with your left and your right hand, we'll be putting them together. So I'll start with my right hand, and it goes around behind my head. My left hand chases it behind my head. And it's like your left hand is chasing your right hand the whole time. So behind and then in front, behind and then in front. And then you can also speed it up to get it faster and straighter, or you can slow it right down so it bends around you more. If you're struggling getting this to go together as well, you could start with both your hands together, and you go up behind and stir, up behind and go in front of you. And then gradually, as you get more confident, your hands will be able to come apart. And then you'll be doing a corkscrew. Now that you can do the corkscrew, it's a really fun move to move around with. You can feel like you're dancing. So you can play with your speed, spin around, you can walk around, and then you can go into a windmill as well. This is essentially the same moves. I'm just spinning them faster to keep them going directly above my head. And then you can go back into your corkscrew. And then because it looks amazing, I love going into horizontal spiral wraps from there. And then you can go back into your corkscrew. Thank you for learning with me. See you next time.